Hello everyone, welcome to online class of EVS of class 5th. I, Bhagashri Gupta, is going to explain lesson 2 on the move. Thousands of people all over the world leave their homes for various reasons and settle in another city or country. There are many reasons behind it. Migration. The movement of people from one place to another is called migration. Reasons for migration. People migrate due to several reasons. First, some people move to find better jobs and make a living in big cities. Maybe people they are not getting better job according to their skills, that's why they migrate. Some people move for better educational opportunities. Here also some people go from small cities to big cities only for the educational opportunities, that you can say for the higher education. Some people move because of calamities such as floods, drought, war, or outbreak of a disease. Maybe some people often face the calamities problem, that's why they migrate from one city to another city. Rural poverty. Rural poverty is a major reason for migration. A large number of people in India live in village or farmers. Students, 70% of population of India live in village, but then also they face poverty. However, not all of them have own land. They are landless farmers. Such farmers work on other people's farm to earn a living. Living means livelihood, जीविकोपार्जन. They do all the work on the fields like sowing the seeds, harvesting and threshing. Students, can you imagine? In the summer season, farmers work from morning to evening in the field in the hot weather. They don't earn enough money. When there is a no work on the fields, these people travel far away from their village in search of work. They return to their villages only in time to sow or harvest the crops. Students, if there are no crops, even they go to the other city and do the job, and they come back to the village only on the time to sow the seeds or harvest the crops. There are many small farmers who have small pieces of land which yields crops sufficient for their family. They usually have to borrow money from money lenders at high interest rates to buy seeds, tools for agriculture, fertilizers and pesticides. Students, farmers are very poor. They don't have enough money to purchase seeds or tools, so that's why they take money from the money lenders. In case the crop fails, either due to less rainfall or due to poor quality seeds, these farmers cannot repay their loans to the money lenders. In fact, they borrow even more money for the next crop as the cycle of borrowing money continues. Student, just imagine. Firstly, they borrow the money from the money lenders and after then start crop. But then also, due to less rainfall, they face drought problem. Like that, they take money and this cycle continues. Development project. Development project like the building of dams, highways, bridges and railway tracks also lead to displacement of people from their homes. Government officials relocate the villagers whose land and homes could be destroyed while constructing such structures. This is the very good thing, students. If government take place of any poor people, they give also some shelter to them. Way of life. Some people have no permanent house. This is their way of life. Gypsies and Banjaras move from one place to another are called nomads. They move for trade and new markets. This is their style. Students, they move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and trade. Jobs on the move. People who are working in the defense forces like the army and air force also need to move to different cities or towns every 2 or 3 years. So altogether you can say job is also a reason to migrate. Effects of displacement. Moving from one place to another can have both positive and negative effects. Some people find better jobs and living conditions when they migrate to a new place. However, sometimes displacement can cause a lot of suffering to the people because if they shift from one place to another place, they have to start their life again, and it's a very difficult task. Students, here are the assignment. 10 difficult words, you have to learn it and find out the answer of these 3 questions and learn it. Thank you.